more crunchy.
Hello, hello! Kung parehas ka sa akin na naka-low carb diet at naghahanap ng makakain na snacks na pwede sa diet natin, ay may maire-recommend ako sa inyo. Ito ngang Whole Foods ay na-discover ko dito sa Howick Village, dito sa flea market nila every Saturday. Here at Whole Foods, they sell ready-to-eat natural foods and healthy snacks. Nung naglakad-lakad kasi ako dyan, ay nagpapa-free taste sila at natikman ko nga yung seeded crackers nila at nagustuhan ko nga talaga kaya bumili ako ng isang bag. Itong seeded crackers nila ay gluten-free and dairy-free na din. They also sell other snacks such as Vitality Wraps, Amaze Balls or Bliss Balls, and also popcorns na may iba-ibang flavors. If you would like to try their products, you can visit Howick Flea Market every Saturday, or you can purchase their products online. Just visit holofoods.co.nz. I highly recommend these seeded crackers as your snacks if you are looking
Crunchy.
for something